Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, we will be seeing how to improve your language in 3 easy ways. Before that, a big word of thanks to you guys because 2 of my videos have crossed 1k views, and it's because of you guys and solely because of you only. So thank you so much for the support and keep supporting me in the same way. So without any further ado, let's jump in and see what are those 3 easy steps. First of all, we need to understand English is a very easy language to speak because it contains just 26 letters and it's just the mix and match of those letters. So it's very easy to talk. So even though there are some struggles because there are different accents of English and there are new words getting added to the language every day. So to learn that, it can be tedious to talk fluently. So there are 3 easy ways in which you can talk the language in a very easy and a very fluent way. So the first way is to listen to the language. Listening to a language is very easy, and because we have so many resources today to listen to a language that you want to speak. Like we have shows on Netflix, or we have different courses, or there are so many good excellent speakers out there who have very good command over the English language. You can listen to their podcasts, or we can listen to their motivational speech, or if you are not a person who is ready to spend time on those speech, there are awesome shows that are going to help you to learn your language. You can watch those shows, not just watching it, but to listen to the way the language is pronounced in that show, or to learn how they use their accent. Okay, so that's the main point of watching Netflix shows. So that's the first way to learn your language. The first step is listening. That's the main and the most important step of learning not just English but any language. The second step is to read the language. There are so many people who love to read books. Like me, I love to read books. So if you are a person who loves to read books any time of the day, you can definitely read them. Don't limit your books to any genre, because there are so many themes of books out there, and every theme has their own usage of words. So don't stick on to one kind of book like fiction or non-fiction. Try to read as many books as possible so that you will know how the words are fixed in a sentence and how they make a beautiful complete sentence and how they make out a meaning. So the second best way to learn a language is to read the language. Not the second best way, but a second step to learn the language. Third and the most important step of learning a language is to speak the language. Even if you are succeeding in listening to the language and reading it fluently, you will fail if you don't converse in that language. So the main step is to speak in that language. Find a person with whom you're comfortable to speak the language with, a person who's better than you in that language, or a person who's trying to learn the language just like you. Try to talk with them, try to converse with them. No particular topic is necessary to talk, just a casual talk, but make it in English or just any language if that you want to talk about. Okay, so that's the main step, that is speaking, or you can call it conversation or anything. Okay, it's about speaking the language. So that's the third step. Yeah, those are the 3 easy steps that help you to learn a language quickly and fluently. It helped me a lot, to say it from my personal side. Listening, reading and speaking the language is the most effective way of learning a language. I'm sticking to English today because it's one of my favorite languages and it's one of the universally accepted language, and the major language with which you can survive in almost any part of the world. Okay, so that's why I'm sticking to English today. Don't put an end point to these 3 steps until and unless you are becoming fluent in the language that you want to speak. So I hope this will be helpful for you, because there are so many people out there who want to know or who want to learn new languages. So for you guys, I guess it will be helpful. So please tell me if you want to add any other point to these 3. There might be people who know things better than me, of course, so you can add your explanation in the comment section and tell me if there is any better way to learn any language. So yeah, we have come to the end of the video, and I'm thanking you guys again so much, and keep supporting me in the same way. I will be putting up exciting videos for you guys very soon, and I'll try to put videos every week. So keep supporting me, and thanks for all the support you have given me till now. So until the next video, stay tuned and subscribe to my channel without forgetting, and click the bell icon for the notifications of my new videos. So until then, bye bye.